Hi, in this video, I want to show you something new, which you might seen on Pinterest or maybe not, but it's mainly on the application of Pinterest. So if you haven't used it for a while or maybe at all, have a look. And we're going to talk about Pinterest collages. And also I'm going to show you how you can use shuffles as a different app for connection with Pinterest and how you can create different types of collages and also pins on Pinterest. My name is Michaela and I'm Pinterest manager and strategist. I would like to show you the full potential of Pinterest for your business. And today we're going to talk about something creative. I love creativity and creating new pins. So this is how we're going to use collages in this way. And also I'm going to show you different applications. So let's have a look. If you open up Pinterest app on your phone, it can be Android or Apple, anything. So you just open it and then you can see here's my profile and then click on plus, like the normal way you would basically add your pins. Then you see plus and there is an option to, in the middle, there is an option to add collages. You can see that you can either choose different way on the top bar, search bar, you can choose different way of what you're going to search. Let's say I was searching for social media. So as you can see, Pinterest is going to show me different kind of pins. And I'm going to choose this pin, for example, with this phone. And you see in this demonstration here that basically Pinterest will kind of let me take one piece or something from this pin, like this mobile phone, and put it on the collage. Then I'm going to search something else like Christmas gifts, for example, because we are close to Christmas time. And I'm going to choose something from this pin. So you see this like a white thing around it, and then you can create these kind of collages from different pins, but can be also your pins, of course. It doesn't have to be others' pins. So here, this way you can actually create the collage directly on the Pinterest app, basically based on the search or basically what you search or from different pins. You can also use whole pin. So as you see, I choose this kind of reindeer chocolates, and I can just play with it because it's kind of fun and it's a different types of pin. So it's great for like a gift guides, for example, tips for Christmas gifts for your wife, or any kind of like you see like here is a bag with the cat, but maybe I just don't want only cat, I want the whole pin. So I can choose the whole pin instead of just the bag and create this kind of different collages. I said you can put your products on the app. You can basically create a collages and create gift guides. Let's say gift guides for travelers, or gifts for anything, like for anybody, like for your grandmother. And you can choose different products. For example, if you have e-commerce store, and you can tag them in the application directly in this way. So this is how you can create collages directly on your Pinterest app. And so it's kind of fun, and I would definitely recommend to try it because you can highlight your products and also connect them directly in the application. In the second part, we're going to see here our application, which is called, the application is called Shuffles. Maybe you heard about it. Different countries have a different access. So in Czech Republic, we had access a little bit later. Now you see you can, when you connect Shuffles and you download it in your phone, if you don't have it yet, you can connect it with a Pinterest account. And then you can just, tap to start your shuffle collage, and you can choose first, like a color if you want a background. You can then choose from your Pinterest profile, from your pins again. I'm choosing my profile picture, for example, as you see here. And you can play with it a little bit similar way like the Pinterest directly collages, but here you have more options. You get also templates you can use from different creators, and you can use their templates and just shuffle it around and connect different way. Here you can also choose, like Shuffle is going to always offer you some kind of like options for you. You can choose, for example, again, social media. We can choose something else. You can create a gift guides. I was trying to search for social media like before, but it's in Shuffle, so you see how you play a little bit different. It's probably more creative here using this application, and it's also directly connected with your Pinterest account. So you can also move it if you put like a hold it for longer, you can put it in the background, as you can see. So I have this computer with a coffee probably from Starbucks or somewhere. You can basically put it, and if you hold it, you can put it at the background. Then you can obviously put some text if you want. I was trying to play with it for some time. Then you can put let's say call to action like shop now and follow me or visit my website and all these options. So you can basically try different colors, different fonts. You can add your logo. Again, you can use it probably, I think, for e-commerce store, and for me, I would use it. The best way would be the gift guides, when you can link your products and show what you can, for example, use. But if you have, for example, fashion brand, that's perfect because you can create different outfits, like for example work outfit and then party outfit, and you can put it like in these collages with like a hat and blouse and I don't know, pants or whatever, and you can show your products in this one pin and connect it with your audience, right, with the collages. So this way, play with it, try it, let me know how you like it, because I think it's something new and exciting. Maybe in your country it was already for some time and maybe you haven't seen it, but both of these options like collages on Pinterest and also shuffles, you have to use your application. There is no way you can do it on your phone, on your PC. So try it, let's see if you like it. And if you like my videos, sign up here and you get notification every Friday. We talk about Pinterest, marketing tips, and online business. So if you want to support my channel, I will be happy if you subscribe here. And I see you next week. Have a great day.